are looking at a situation where much of our water infrastructure isn't working, our environment is threatened, and our infrastructure which delivers the water to us is also threatened. In America, which is a land that we talk about as going from sea to shining sea, water to water, we don't seem to nearly have a sense of the national issues on water that we should.
There have been recent reports from the American Society of Civil Engineers that gave a grade to all of the America's water infrastructure, and they gave it a D. The problems are vast and very widespread across the country.
Building that recognition and making progress on it at a time that I think we are being prescient, that is in the next 5 to 10 years we'll see that these issues become more and more acute. That's the motivation for the America's Water Initiative.
And right now, with a sense of urgency, the infrastructure problems, the water scarcity concerns, the sustainability of jobs, providing food for all of us, these are becoming crisis issues. So for America, the most important step is awareness and understanding of this growing problem surrounding water.
It is really a great opportunity to be here and to be part of today. This is really an important conversation that we need to continue to have, and we need to do our part to continue to educate the general public about the situation that we face.
Something that hasn't been explicitly talked about very much in the United States. I think many people kind of assume that everyone in the United States has that right fully protected, and unfortunately that's not true.
What does water mean to our society? How does our society continue to enjoy the quality of life that it does? At a personal level, I've lived in the United States now since 1977, and what's inspired me to be in water is when you go to Lake Yellowstone or you go to a river, it's so calm, and yet it's so inspiring that that's the nature we are in. And when you come back and you turn on the faucet and it flows, it's equally inspiring because it's amazing that, that aspect of nature is so readily available to you.
It's important to remember why we're studying that, which is to actually make changes and improve the way we live in the world.
Columbia Water Center is a unique collection of thought leaders, scientists, students, true experts who are asking the most important questions of the day when it comes to water and the sustainability of our nation and our planet.
We have already launched publications which show what America's water risks are with current demand and drought and climate. What we hope to do is lay the footprint down for how this can be achieved place by place in America and then across the world.
It's urgently needed that we have centers of collaboration and innovation such as the Columbia Water Center.